Hi everyone, welcome back. So what is browning? You all have seen me use it in some of my recipes, and I've also received a few comments as far as what can be substituted because some people just don't have access to it. But today I'm going to show you how you can make your own, and it's quite simple. You will need 2 ingredients: sugar and warm or hot water. I'm using the raw cane sugar. Brown sugar works, and I'm pretty sure date sugar, coconut sugar, all them other fancy sugar works as well. So browning is basically caramelized sugar with a little bit of water. Over a low heat, go ahead and add the sugar and allow this to caramelize into a dark brown color before you even add the water. As the sugar caramelizes, it will start to foam, as you can tell right here. So make sure that you occasionally check on this and give it a good stir. Matter of fact, don't leave your stove, alright? Just constantly stir this until this forms a dark brown color. So this is the perfect color right here. I'm going to gradually add the water and be very careful because you don't want this to splash and burn you. All right. So after you have added the water, give this a good mix. I'm going to allow this to boil for about 2 minutes just to better incorporate the water in the caramelized sugar. That's it, my people. Browning up and running. You don't want this to be too thick because once it cools, it will thicken. So what does this taste like? Well, it has a bitterish, slightly sweetish taste, and it's mostly used for adding that extra richness or color to stews, sauces or gravies, and even desserts. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bless up yourself.